Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have my P Louise box here. It says you're invited to slay over with P Louise. Right here. I haven't even opened this. I had this for a few days, so I'm just going to try to, oh, of course. And I struggle when you have to pull to open these. So I'm just trying to, sorry for the noise. Okay. Whew. We're in. Interesting box. Like their boxes are, must cost them a fortune, honestly. So let's, ooh, looks like we have a big palette here. Let's see what we have in this box today. We have, I'm having so much trouble seeing today. What is this? Let's Cool It Off. Hydrating spray. Right here. And we have a seal on it. I don't know where the opening is. I would love to. All right, I'm not going to open that. Oh, what do we have here? Looks like maybe a hand cream infused with hyaluronic acid. Oh, a primer. Play It Cool primer. I don't think, have I tried one of their primers? I don't know if I've tried a primer. Everything has got a seal on it, which is nice. But I want to get in here and try some stuff. What is this? It's a lip oil from P Louise. I mean, obviously everything's from P Louise. Let's see if we can get into this one. I'm just going to open this. I don't know if this is, yeah, it is one of them. Let's see. Are there several, like, different shades? So this is right here, a little booklet. I'm just trying to think. Oh, yeah, look at all of them. So there's tons of shades of lip oils. I don't know what shade I have, but I'll tell you in about 2 seconds when I peel it off this paper here. If I can peel it off the paper. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Let's see which one I have. I don't know. I can see it on the bottom now that I'm unwrapping it. Awesome. And I have strawberries and cream right here. Does it smell like strawberries and cream? Oh, yeah. Nice lip oil, though. Yeah, it's just your standard lip oil. Oh, my goodness. Does that smell good? Happy to have that. So strawberries and cream is what I got. Nice. Everything. Cruelty-free, locks in hydration, non-sticky, non-greasy formula. Oh, water my melon. Cherry on top, feeling toasty. Keep it caramel. So very cute. Oh, they have, oh, wow. Mint choc drip. No banana drama. Oh, they have tons and tons of shades. Scents. Oh, that's nice. I can still smell that. Okay. What are these? Frosty Pop, Bad Biatch Energy. These I never know what they are. So I have to open them because I don't know. Okay, let's just open this and find out. I knew I could feel it coming for like a week that I was getting sick. I'm like, just either hit me or leave me because I hate that feeling of not knowing, like, am I getting sick? Am I not getting sick? No, of course I was getting sick. You know, why would it be any other way? Okay, let's get into this and see what this is. Last time these were like lip products in last month. And I think that's basically what these are here. So cute little box, obviously. And then we have super hydrating formula, Stay Shining. Here. Let's open this up. What are we? And this is, like, look at the packaging. Awesome. And this should just be like an oil or gloss. Oh my goodness, what is that one? Oh, that smells so good. Let me see if it says it on the bottom. It's so hard to see these. I have Frosted Kisses, I think that is. That's interesting. Try to get this back in the box, which might be impossible. And then this other one is what? This is Frosty Pop. Protect your palate. Is there I don't know if I might have to, so here's the box. Interesting. Interesting lip products. Oh, this is one of their, it has like the little keychain. Interesting. You know, one of the slide. So this is just like a lip balm. They smell so good. Great to put on your keys. I have one of these in my car because you never know when you need. Protect your palate. So I'll protect my lips. I mean, especially now in the wintertime, your lips get so dry. We have something else here. What are we? Frozen Flush Blush Palette. So we have a blush palette right here. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this. Setting spray, a lip oil, a primer, those lip products. Now we have a blush palette. Let's see what you look like. Beautiful packaging. Ooh, some brights. Definite brights on this one. Right here. I don't know if I would use them. Would I? I mean, I might use a couple of them. I don't know. You really have to play around and look, but nice. I could share that also. I want to see what this is all about. Nice huge palette here. Wow. My Frosty Fairy Tale. Look at this. I mean, they gave us an awesome palette last time, too. Let's see. Oh, I can already see. Like, look how this... I mean, packaging. Are you kidding me? Look. Looks like a book. Looks like a book. Oh, opens up like a book, too. Nice mirror. I know I look like crap today. So this is what it looks like. Right here. Mirror on the inside cover. Wow. So when you open it up, you have a mirror. And then the palette. Blues, grays, some shimmers, highlighters for sure. Wow, that is stunning. Absolutely stunning. So it opens up like a book. I think that is, like, I don't know how they do it. I really don't, because that has to, packaging has to be so expensive. My Frosty Fairy Tale palette. So I think another great P Louise box for sure. I'm not complaining about anything in there. I love the, I can still smell the lip oil and the other products. I mean, they smell phenomenal. It's going to make me sneeze because right now everything is I even sprayed dry shampoo on my hair this morning and I had to leave my bathroom for like a half an hour. I couldn't even, the smell of it was just going to make me sneeze, which now I feel like I'm going to sneeze. I think another great P Louise box. What do you think? I would love to hear in the comments down below, like, how awesome are these palettes? Like, I want to know how they're doing it. Formula's good. Products are good. I've not used anything so far that I didn't like. I mean, I haven't played too much with the shadow palettes. I didn't use the palette from last month yet. I'm excited. Maybe the blush palette I'll give a try. I should have put blush on today, but I just was like, oh, barely had time. Barely had the energy to even do hair and put a little, you know, lipstick on. But let me know your thoughts, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.